Hey Siri, set a stopwatch.
Oh, right.
You need to unlock your iPhone first.
No, I don't want to look at it. I don't want to look at it, please. You got to handle it. I feel sick. I'm not having my phone for the rest of the day. I'm so sorry, baby. You're going to have to do PR for me. I've already done some of it.
You're a full-time job, you know that?
I know.
That's not something to be proud of.
It's just a fact. I didn't get a chicken rice about being hungry.
No, they're babies. They.
Sorry. She's down for the count right now.
She's very fussy.
She's in her witching phase.
We're a family, and a family is meant to be open and honest with each other, so.
Are you passionate about things?
Shit too. You guys could talk about a lot of weird facts.
Did you fart?
Now exhale with the sigh.
Yeah.
Because I can just be my own psychic from here on out.
Uh-huh.
I trust myself.
You want to
I
do
think-
mentoring?
Yeah, I was already going to do mentoring.
Yeah.
I was going to do half an hour of mentoring and half an hour psychic. But I feel like all the questions that I had last week have already been answered by life
Yeah.
and myself. That's what I'm going to do.
Yeah?
Because I feel like all the questions that I was going to ask last week, and even with like our chip and down space, I know it's going to come to us.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to come to us.
Oh
We
yeah,
don't
the
need
lifestyle is going
We
to
don't
be.
need to channel that right now
No.
for someone else. That's going to give me a download from us.
That's because we have to put in the time now to connect
and we
with
need
our new
recovery.
lifestyle.
Yeah, we need a bit of recovery. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, speaking of, I'd like you to book in with Mel.
Yeah. Okay. All right,
Now-
done.